नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र सेट जून 2025 रोजी झालेल्या पेपर 2 इंग्रजी विभागातील क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. द बुक द मैथ ऑफ सिस्फियस वॉज ऑथर्ड बाय अल्बर्ट कॅमस, जीन पॉल स्ट्रे, फ्रेडरिच नेतेजे, सोरेन किकरगार्ड. The correct option is option number A, Albert Camus. Question number 10. Who coined the concept of the heteroglossia? The options are given: Mikhail Bakhtin, S.T. Coleridge, William Hazlitt, John Crow, Ransom. The correct option is option number A, Mikhail Bakhtin. Question number 11. The normative social ordering of the identities and subjectivity along the heterosexual, homosexual binary, the provisional of one as a natural and the other is a divine, not a primary consequence for cancelled in. Options are given: Foucault, The History of Sexuality, Sedgwick, Epistemology of the Closed, Butler, Gender, Throble, Eagleton, Sweet Violence. The correct option is option number D, Eagleton, Sweet Violence. Question number 12. The name of the novelist and the novel that won the John Lee Waylon Wright Memorial Prize is. Options are given: Nizad C. Chaudhary, Passage of England, Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, Ruskin Bond, Roma on the Roof, Arun Joshi, The Apprentice. The correct option is option number C, Ruskin Bond, Room on the Roof. Question number 13. Duality in human language refer to. Options are given: structure at the level of sound and word, structure of the level of word and sentence, structure of the level of sounds and sentence, structure at the level of a sentence and paragraphs. The correct option is option number B, structure at the level of words and sentence. Question number 14. Which of the following plays end with the famous saying, "The strongest man is he who stands most alone"? The options are given: Richard II, An Enemy of the People, Pygmalion, Macbeth. The correct option is option number B, An Enemy of the People. Question number 15. The Indian phrases Datta, Dayadhava, Dayadatra appear in one of the following poems: The Wasteland, Ash Wednesday, Little Greedy, Georonation. The correct option is option number A, The Wasteland. Question number 16. The novel written from the letters in called epistology, illogic, picaricular, historical. The correct option is option number A, epistolary. Question number 17. The terms dialectical materialism is associated with Karl Marx, Richard Hoggart, Raymond Williams, Colin McCabe. The correct option is option number A, Karl Marx. Question number 80. The relation between a word and its meaning is कन्सिडंट, लॉजिकल, आर्बिटरी, कोहार्टंट. The correct option is option number E, arbitrary. या पुढचे प्रश्न आपण पुढील भागात बघणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.